going to show you the set, the new set of iCarly.
Yeah.
So Val's gonna go check out where the stairs go. Val's gonna go check out where the stairs go.
Stairs lead to nowhere.
Go check out where Spencer's room goes.
I forgot. Oh. It also goes to nowhere.
Okay, let's go out in the hall.
Ah!
This leads to a gun wall, which is really gross.
This way also goes to nowhere.
Gun Freddy's.
Nowhere except for a TV. And a
Yeah,
plant.
there's a gun wall over here, which is really gross.
We got a
Okay,
camera
now
here.
we're now
We got
to
a
school.
School.
Okay, so Val's gonna go check out where the stairs go here.
The stairs lead to a wall with a hallway with where it goes to nothing.
Okay, now the iCarly studio.
Studio.
Now Val's gonna go check out where the backstage is.
Nowhere.
Yeah.
Over here is also empty. There's no
I
wall.
didn't even know that was empty over there.
Anyways, over here is
The lobby. Over here's the lobby.
lobby.
So Val's gonna go check out here and up the stairs.
Over here is nowhere. And up here is also nowhere.
Well, that's our iCarly set. Bye.
Our new one.
Yeah.